Hi, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today I'm going to make an unboxing video, and as you can see this is a very small package, so I think the unboxing will be fairly quick. So, although it says that the package comes from Germany, it actually comes from China. And it must be redirected in Germany. And now, so we have this black plastic package, and we have this envelope. And let's open this padded envelope. And inside we have bubble wrap. And there we have a little sleeve, and this is it. So what we have here today is a pen from China, and the pen name is the Fuliwen 015. I don't know if we say Fuliwen, but that's how I can say it. And this 015 pen was bought by me from China, from a store that is run by Bobby. I think he's very known now on the internet, and it cost me 15 euros. And here it is. It is a pen made of metal, an aluminum pen. This part has some kind of crystal inside, and it turns something like a fidget spinner or something like that. Okay, so I bought this because it is made of aluminum. It is quite light, so I think this is not that thick, because I thought this could be a good EDC pen to carry anywhere in an EDC case with a Swiss knife or something like that. I have a red one, maybe it goes well with this. So, just to show you, the pen is like this. Simple. It just says iridium point on the nib. It is like a number 5 nib. And it unscrews. And it has a converter. It seems to be like quite nice converter, and it comes with an extra converter. I don't know why, but also always good to know, to have some more converters. And this is it, an aluminum made pen. And I'll use it, I'll try it out, I'll see how the pen works, if it is anything good or not, and then I'll make the review and publish and let you all know. I will post, if the pen is still available on eBay, I will post the link to the eBay store for you to buy one if you want. So thank you for watching, and I hope to see you soon. If you like this, please subscribe. Bye.